my name is Hanya. Today I'm going to be translating from English to Pashto. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to be reading one sentence at a time, and I'm going to be reading one sentence at a time from the Pashto. So let's get started. My name is Hanya, and my name is Hanya translated to Pashto is Isma Num Hanya De. The next one is I have two friends, and I have two friends translated to Pashto is Z Dwe Mulgari Laram. The next one is my friend has 5 cats. Translated into Pashto is Zma Mulgari Pinza Pishani. The next one is my favorite color is red, and my favorite color is red. Translated to Pashto is Zmada Khoshe Rang Surli. The next one is I am going to school, and I am going to school translated in Pashto is Za Maktab Ta Zam. So now I'm going to be telling you guys what each and every word means. So what my means is Z or ma, Zma, and name means num. Is means di, and Hanya is basically my name, so it could be any name. So the next one is I, which means the, and the next one is have, which is basically means laram, and the next one is two, which means two, the letter two or dwa, and the next one is friends, which means mulgari, and the next third sentence is my, which means the, and friend, which means mulgari, or my means ma, and has means laral, 5 means pinza, and cats means pishiyani. And the next one is my, which means zma, and favorite means khwash, color means rang, and is means di, red is the color sur. And the last one is I, which means za. Am is basically like yum, and going is like dum, and two is basically ka, and school is maktab. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Make sure you guys comment down below what you don't understand, and the sentences that you don't understand, and I will teach you guys about those sentences, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Goodbye.